Now, I know that, like me, you're a nice Jewish boy, and looking at you, it would be very hard for anybody to believe that you would ever be arrested for anything, right?
Funny, you
That's
don't
right.
look Jewish.
Let alone put in jail. Yeah, well, it must be the cosmetic surgery. But I mean, but that sort of came up, and we're wondering what that's about.
Well, it makes for a great after dinner story to my friends, and my children keep asking me, and I'll keep a long story short.
Okay.
The first time I was in Philadelphia, and I had a veterinary practice, and on a hot summer night, an 80-year-old, one of my clients, an 80-year-old widow and her 102-year-old mother called me because their 90-pound German Shepherd was dead in the living room floor. And could I possibly come and pick the dog up to take to my veterinary hospital and put it in the freezer that you keep for animals that pass away?
Right.
Well, I went over there and did that for them and put the dog in my trunk. Without getting more specific, it started to ooze on my daughter's Barbie dolls, and so I took it back to my apartment because I did not have the keys to my hospital. My assistant did,
Right.
and she was 2 hours away. So I decided I'll go to the apartment and I'll put the dog on top of the garbage so it will not be in my car. And when my assistant comes, we'll put it in the truck. She's got the keys, and we'll go over to the hospital. Well, when I turned around, there were 2 policemen there wondering what I was doing. And I told them what I was doing, at which point they arrested me. And at the arraignment, when they told the judge what had happened, the judge asked one question. Well, did you go into the apartment building to corroborate that Dr. Katz actually lived there? When they said no, the judge started to tell the police, don't you ever waste my time in this court again.
Right, yep.
Case dismissed. I'm sorry, Dr. Katz, that we put you through this.
And what was their charge, anyhow?
They charged with their charge ultimately was what was called short dumping, which is if you throw something in the garbage that doesn't belong there, which is normally something you write a ticket for, but this is what happened, and it's one of the stories of my life.
Well, apparently if you put the dog on top of the car, you wouldn't have been arrested.
Right,
because
there you
Mitt
go.
Romney wasn't.
Did you replace the dolls?
I had to for my poor daughter.
just checking,
And the
yeah,
second time I was in my new hospital in the Bronx, a couple came in with a vicious chihuahua this big that they couldn't control and were afraid of. The dog ended up lunging at me and was hanging on my arm, his teeth in my arm. In the process of me trying to shake him off, he fell off the exam table. The people freaked out, went to the police, had me arrested. When I got to the 46th precinct, they were trying to figure out what to book me for. And when I was arraigned and told the story, the judge rolled her eyes,
Right.
said, "Don't you ever waste time in my court like this again." Apologized to me for actually having to go through this. And there
This
are the
is
stories in a
right.
nutshell.
Well, you know
This is
something?
almost bureaucracy running wild.
and
That
this is
people don't just ask the common sense question.
No, but
So those are my horrible jail time stories.
Well, you see, as a journalist, my thought, of course, hearing this is that the headline writers must have had a field day with "Vet is collared." Anyhow,
Now, I
sorry,